Wow, I can't believe I am doing this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, maybe since this last coming week. I don't know, felt that I needed to do this. I am going to be completely changing my YouTube channel. I just feel like that it's time. Like I said, I've been wanting to do this, and something in me just was like, okay, let's do it. So what I'm talking about is I'm going to be completely changing my YouTube channel. I'm going to be changing the YouTube channel name, content, everything about this YouTube channel. And I'm going to also switch my main content is, let's backtrack a little bit. So I'm going to have a Christian based YouTube channel. I feel like it's time to switch to this. I definitely still will do my makeup stuff, but I feel like I should have my main content faith related. I think that it's just time. My main content will be that, and will be have like a podcast. So this isn't the first podcast video, but I just wanted to do it in this filming location just because I just want to get a feel of how I want to start this. So my makeup videos will still be on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but on Wednesdays will be my main content where I'm going to be like, I'm going to do a Bible study some days. I'm going to be talking about a certain topic or something. And I haven't really decided yet. And I haven't decided on the new YouTube channel name or even the podcast. So if you have a Christian-based YouTube channel name or podcast name, please definitely link them down below because I would love your suggestions. Yeah, another thing that I'm going to be starting on my YouTube channel is, so what I do in every single description of my videos, I have the first thing is a Bible verse. So instead of just having it there and leaving it, I'm actually going to be going into my Bible and reading that Bible verse in every single video and have it linked down below. What I actually like to do for when I have that in the description is I actually like to go on to the Bible app here, and it says like the Bible verse of the day. And another thing, let me know what you guys think about this whole like microphone setup. I have my DJ mic like magneted to this karaoke mic. I thought that would be kind of cool, but I don't know how I feel about it yet. Like, do I talk into this or I obviously talk into the DJ mic, but it's so weird. Well, I have two different mics or cameras set up right now, and I don't know if I like it. I like go back and forth between my main camera and then the Canon. I'll try to also have the Bible verse up here as well so you guys can read it along with me. This is Revelation 21:4. Again, this is Revelation 21:4. He will wipe away every tear from their eyes. Death will exist no longer. Grief, crying, and pain will exist no longer because the previous things have passed away. I hope, I don't know, you get something out of this podcast. Because, I don't know, I just, like I said, I feel really called to change my YouTube channel, I guess. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!